What is a crankshaft? It is a crank with a shaft helps to convert the reciprocating motion of the piston into the rotary motion through the connecting rod. Look at the motion picture. You could see the reciprocating motion of the piston and the connecting rod is converted to the rotary motion with the help of the crankshaft. Parts in the crankshaft. The crank pin. The big end of the connecting rod is attached to the crank pin. The crank web. It connects the crank pin to the shaft. The shaft. It rotates in the main bearings and transmits power to the outside source. Types of the crankshaft. Depending upon the position of crank, it is divided into two types. Side crankshaft, otherwise known as overhung crankshaft, and the center crankshaft. Side crankshaft or overhung crankshaft. It has only one crank web and requires only two bearings for the support. It is used in medium size and large size horizontal engines. Center crankshaft. It has two crank webs and three bearings for support. It is used in automotive, radial aircraft, stationary and marine engines. Types of the crankshaft. Depending upon the number of crank pins, it is divided into two types. Single throw crankshaft, which has only one crank pin, and the multi-throw crankshaft, which has more than one crank pin and is used in multi-cylinder engines.